Jim Remlinger with Remlinger Auctions here. We have a 67 factory super stock Hemi car here. Great car is going to be coming up on auction. This one here is one of 55 built, one of 16 only with a 4-speed in it. Documentation comes with the car. Very clean engine compartment. If you want to beat those Chevys, this is the one to buy. Right. Give you a closer look up in the interior here. Late interior, black, very desirable. 4-speed, tachometer. This is the car to have.
So what would a Ford's answer been to
Probably
this car?
the 67 Fairlane 427, but the Chrysler, right. The Ford always seen the taillights on the Dodge. They've never seen the headlights.
and Chevrolet would have had the, their first 427 Biscayne?
427 Biscayne two-door postcard.
That would have been the
Their
competition
answer
for this
to this one here. Probably the Chevy was pushing the Ford to try and catch up to the Dodge.
Yeah, you can even see that the battery was placed in the trunk on these cars because of the drag racing, right? The trunk is in all original condition. And this car would be radio delete, so that would have been pretty much delete of all options, and they did that because of weight. So yeah, they're rare. They're really, really rare. And you can own May 29th and 30th is the car auction. May 28th is the motorcycle auction.